Got a blurry video in CapCut? In the next 60 seconds, I'll show you the quickest way to turn this into this. First, open CapCut and tap New Project. Import your blurry clip from your gallery. Play the clip once and pause on the part that looks the most blurry. This will make it easier to see your changes. Now pinch to zoom into the preview so you can clearly see the edges and details that need sharpening. If your whole clip is blurry, keep the playhead at the start. If it's only a part, position it around that section on the timeline. Next, we'll use CapCut's built-in tools to sharpen and clean up the video. No plugins, no extra apps. Tap on your video clip to select it, then look for the Adjust or Enhance option in the bottom toolbar. Inside Adjust, increase Sharpen a little, usually between 10 and 30 is enough. Don't push it too high or it'll look noisy. Next, gently boost clarity or contrast to make edges pop, and add a tiny bit of brightness if the video feels dull. Play back a few seconds. Toggle the Adjust panel on and off to compare before and after. Stop when it looks clear but still natural. When you're happy, tap the export icon at the top. Choose the highest resolution your clip was recorded in, and keep the bitrate on high. Hit export, wait for it to finish, then play your saved file. Your video should now look much sharper and ready to share.